Will Cardano reach $2 soon? Has Cardano been added again as a payment option? Why is Cardano in the top of the most bought cryptocurrencies? What is GeniusX? If you want to learn all about it, then stay with me to find out more. And if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell. Welcome to Cardano Rumors, the best place for your daily dose of Cardano. Cardano holders can keep closer tabs on their investment after DeFi Llama, a blockchain analytics platform and DeFi TVL aggregator, announced it had added Cardano to its list of tracked projects. So far, there haven't been many reliable sources to track Cardano's growth. The platform recorded a major increase in TVL on Cardano since adding it, from $822,000 on opening day to a current TVL of $1.5 million. Cardano aims to redistribute power from unaccountable structures to the margins to individuals, helping to create a society that is more secure, transparent and fair. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. The team behind the layered blockchain say that there have already been some compelling use cases for its technology, which aims to allow decentralized apps and smart contracts to be developed with modularity. Cardano works on increasing ADA adoption. Cardano has a number of plans for projects to realize greater ADA adoption. TVL tracking may be a sign of growth of the blockchain in the immediate future. The most important project is the launch of a decentralized exchange, which will let users start swapping and interacting with on-chain DeFi products. One of the most highly anticipated DEXs, SundaySwap, is actively testing its product and is gearing up to ship its mainnet DEX this year. Catching mainstream attention. Major tech giants are noticing Cardano. Samsung recently announced that it would be using the Cardano blockchain to store planting records on 2 million mangrove trees, which the corporation is planting. Flexa, a global payments processor, added Cardano as a payment option. More than 40,000 retailers in North America will be accepting it. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson has been traveling around Africa and reaching agreements with countries like Ethiopia to bring ID services to underbanked markets throughout the continent. All eyes are on DeFi Llama as holders wait for developments on the network. They expect steady growth of Cardano's TVL over the first few months of the year despite its slump to 7th position on the market cap ranking today, falling behind USDC. Why is Cardano in the top of the most bought cryptocurrencies? Shiba Inu was a hot topic last year. The meme token, which cleverly borrowed its name from Dogecoin's K9 mascot, skyrocketed 42 million % in 2021. Put another way, if you had invested $10 in Shiba Inu last January, your tokens would have been worth over $4 million at the year's end. Even more impressive, Shiba Inu has actually lost 62% of its value since peaking in late October. To say its performance has been unprecedented would be an understatement. However, if you fail to make a fortune on Shiba Inu, don't beat yourself up. More importantly, think very carefully before buying the dip. The odds of a repeat performance in 2022 are virtually non-existent. Meme tokens are unpredictable in nature, and by definition they lack real-world utility. Shiba Inu is no exception. Building on that idea, there are dozens of other cryptocurrencies I'd buy before adding Shiba Inu to my portfolio. And Avalanche and Cardano are at the top of that list. Here's why. Cardano is a programmable blockchain powered by the ADA token. Like other smart contract platforms, it was designed to be an ecosystem of dApps and DeFi services, though the developer team has taken an uncommonly rigorous approach. For instance, Cardano is secured by a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism known as Ouroboros, the industry's first peer-reviewed blockchain protocol. In fact, the developer team frequently submits new features for academic peer review, taking a very methodic approach. The Cardano project itself is divided into 5 distinct phases: deploying the foundational blockchain, decentralizing the network, introducing smart contracts, scaling the network, and implementing a long-term governance solution. Currently, the project is in its 3rd phase, as smart contracts went live on September 12, 2021. That event could be a significant catalyst in the coming months and years, as developers can now build dApps and DeFi products on the Cardano blockchain. Of course, that won't mean much if Cardano lacks scalability. Fortunately, the team plans to address that in the 4th phase of development, when the consensus protocol will be upgraded to Ouroboros Hydra. Like the mythical multi-headed snake, Hydra will add side chains to the core chain, dividing the network load more efficiently. Think of it like this: businesses are divided into multiple departments, so small groups of employees can focus on particular jobs. That's more efficient than tasking every employee with every job. Side chains serve the same purpose. Once complete, Cardano's throughput could theoretically reach 1 million TPS. As a caveat, Cardano is far from the only blockchain looking to be the next Ethereum, but its evidence-based approach to development differentiates it from other projects. And if the launch of Hydra goes as planned, an event expected to take place in late 2022 or 2023, Cardano's scalability would likely make it quite popular with both developers and consumers. And as demand rises for dApps and DeFi services on its blockchain, demand for the ADA token should rise too. What is GeniusX? After successfully raising $4.2 million in its seed round and seeing more than 135 million ADA delegated in their ongoing staking program, Genius Yield is now launching its accelerator program GeniusX. GeniusX will advise, develop the necessary networks, provide the financial infrastructure and technological expertise to propel early-stage DeFi startups towards attaining speed, scale, and edge. The goal will be to empower founders to build impactful, blockchain-based and scalable companies by providing the following consulting services: fundraising strategy and execution, initial stake pool offering design, exchange listing, integration into the Genius Yield ecosystem, marketing strategy and execution, graphic design, business development, smart contract support. The first three companies to be on board are Martify, a NFT marketplace with creator royalty functionality and a focus on metaverse and gaming NFTs, Maestro, a Cardano ISPO launchpad and stake pool infrastructure service provider, and Legity, an innovative wealth management platform that offers both traditional and crypto assets. GeniusX's goal is clear: to foster DeFi innovations on Cardano by providing early blockchain startups all the tools they need to become successful. GeniusX will select promising MVPs and talented founders that can rapidly scale not only by being connected to investors, but by being offered technical mentorship and business guidance. The addition of smart contracts caused a surge in interest for NFTs on Cardano, and Martify's team is strong with a solid project roadmap. This also applies to the talented team at Maestro. Their services meet the demand for projects that seek funds via a stake pool offering. Legity is another solid project that bridges SoFi and DeFi when it comes to wealth management. Our goal is to help such companies with a potential for high growth because, in turn, it'll help everyone else building on our blockchain, said Dr. Sathi Coleman, co-founder of Genius Yield. The requirements for applicants to the GeniusX program will be soon listed on Genius Yield's website. In an earlier press release, Genius Yield had already communicated about Genius Academy, a community-driven educational and mentorship program that will teach DeFi concepts and support everyone in their journey towards financial freedom. This should come as no surprise given that Genius Yield's CTO is none other than Dr. Lars Brunges, the Director of Education at ADA, the company building Cardano. Will Cardano reach $2 soon? Cardano price action continues to struggle to make any headway to higher valuations. ADA has spent 19 weeks in a downtrend from the most recent all-time highs made in September 2021. However, bullish momentum may return very soon. Cardano price develops buying opportunity before ADA hits $2.20. Cardano price has a very bullish entry setup on its point and figure chart. The long setup is a theoretical buy stop order at $1.42, a stop loss at $1.34, and a profit target at $2.20. The long idea represents a 9.75:1 reward risk with an implied 56% gain from the entry. The long idea is predicated on the entry simultaneously confirming the breakout above a triple top and crossing above the bear market trend line to convert Cardano price into a bull market. The long entry setup is invalidated if Cardano moves to $1.22. There is a short setup on Cardano's chart as well. The short idea is a hypothetical sell stop at $1.28, a stop loss at $1.36, and a profit target at $1. However, short sellers should be extremely cautious about this setup. It is very likely that Cardano price could trigger the sell stop only to fall no lower than $1.24, setting up a massive bear trap for short sellers. Additionally, the profit target is on the critical $1 value area and likely to be defended above $1. The short idea is invalidated if Cardano price moves above $1.46. What are your thoughts on this? Tell me in the comments section. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a like. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video. And remember, the information provided is not trading advice. We strongly recommend independent research and/or consultation with a qualified professional before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching and stay strong.